How many terms of the AP minus 15, minus 13, minus 11 are needed to get the sum minus 55? Explain the reason for the double answer. So, solution. Let A be the first term, D be the common difference, and N be the total number of terms. In the question, it has asked how many terms. We have supposed n terms. Again, question is asked, explain the reason for double answer. Means when we simplify this question, we are going to get two values of n. We must mention the reason for the two values of n. So, in this question, A, the first term is minus 15. D, the common difference is minus 13 minus minus 15, which is equal to 2. And Sn, sum of first n terms, is provided as minus 55. To continue this question, we need to know one formula. We know Sn is given by n by 2 in bracket 2a plus n minus 1 d, where Sn represents sum of first n terms of an AP. We know that Sn is given by this formula. Now let's input the values. So Sn is minus 55, A is minus 15, and D is 2. Then we will simplify within the bracket. 2 into minus 15 is minus 30, and remaining portion copied. Thereafter this 2 will multiply n as well as 1 to get plus 2 and minus 2. This minus 2 and this minus 30 can be added to get minus 32. Remaining portions are copied. This 2 can be taken to other side to multiply with minus 55 to get this line. Minus 55 into 2 is minus 110. Then this n will multiply both these terms within the bracket. So we are going to get minus 32n plus 2n square. After this, we will bring all these terms to left hand side to get this line. You can check in all these three terms, we can take 2 as common. So 2 has been taken common. Now this 2 can be taken to right hand side, means 0 over 2 will be 0. Then we are left with n square minus 16n plus 55. Isn't this? After this, we will factorize this one. I hope you know how to factorize. So please continue. You will get these lines while doing factorization. Now, n minus 5 into n minus 11 is 0. It implies either n minus 5 is 0 or n minus 11 is 0. That is, n is equal to 5 or n is equal to 11. Means we have got two values of n. One is 5, next is 11. So, therefore, the sum of first 5 terms is minus 55. And also the sum of first 11 terms is also minus 55. So, let's understand this through this explanation. When n is equal to 5, it means we need to take 5 terms. And those 5 terms are minus 15, minus 13, minus 11, minus 9, minus 7. And when we add all these terms, we are going to get the sum as minus 55. Similarly, when n is equal to 11, it means if we take first 11 terms, that is, these all first 11 terms if we take and if we add them up, we are again going to get minus 55 as the sum. Is this clear? Why are we getting same minus 55 as the sum though there are different number of terms? Because in this sequence, you can check that minus 5 and plus 5 will be cancelled. Minus 3 and plus 3 will be cancelled. Minus 1 and plus 1 will be cancelled. It means the last 6 terms, when they are added, they will give 0. And when 0 is added to the sum of the remaining terms, what are you going to get? You are going to get same as the sum of these 5 terms. Isn't this? So either you add the first 5 terms or you add the first 11 terms. You are going to get the sum as minus 55. That is the reason for double answer. Double answer in a sense that we are getting two values of n. Double values of n. Is this clear? So the reason for the double answer is that when we take 11 terms, means when we take these 11 terms, the sum of the last 6 terms comes out to be 0. The sum of the last 6 terms comes out to be 0. That's the reason.